DOOGEE T20 Tablet, 2023. 10.42K vivid display, 256 GB plus 15 GB Android tablet, high-res quad speakers, Octa-Core gaming tablet, 8300 mAh battery U, 10.42K display and high-res quad speakers, 10.4-inch tablet, with 1200 resolution FHD plus display. Bring you to enjoy vivid visuals. The incredible 0.31-inch thin bezel and high-res quad speakers provide a premium viewing experience for all senses. Create a wonderful immersive audiovisual environment for you. 15 GB plus 256 GB and Octa-Core gaming tablet. The 8 GB LPDDR4X RAM provides faster performance, making operations like multitasking, swapping, and transitioning between apps faster and more effort. Toggling on the virtual RAM of 7 GB. The virtual memory expansion needs to be activated in settings. Endows T20 tablet with strong prowess. Up to 256 GB of RAM and 1 TB of external storage give ample room for valuable multimedia files.